This elegant and modern design, single attached, is located at Barangay Caysio, Santa Maria, Bulacan. This is very near NLEX via Bocaue exit. The gate and the fence is included in the turnover of this unit. You have a spacious garden area, and of course, you have a garage that can fit up to 2 cars. And in here, you also have a service area. This could be your dirty kitchen or your laundry area. This is how it looks like from the back. And now let's go inside. So upon entering the door, as you can see, this is a complete finished turnover. This is our model unit. Upon turnover, the tiles are included, and also it's already painted. The electrical and wiring are ready. The telephone and internet wires or routers, they're also included and ready. You have a spacious living area, and from here you have your dining. This is your toilet and bath at the first floor. This is your kitchen area. The door going to the service area or dirty kitchen. You can still use this space to put some cabinets underneath your stairs. And the stairs, this is steel and this is tiles. You have plenty of glass windows. And here, the total floor area of this house is 112.36 square meter. That is combination of first and second floor, okay? And we have 3 spacious bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. Remember that this is also high ceiling. And this is bedroom number 2. And this is your bedroom number 3 or master's bedroom with plenty of glass windows. This is your toilet and bath at the second floor. It looks elegant and simple, and most of all, this is very spacious. So this is ideal for your growing family. If you have big family, this is perfect for you. And at the same time, this is very affordable because you can reserve for only 25,000 pesos, and the down payment is installment as low as 31,000 per month for 15 months, and then we can go for bank financing for the balance. If you need more information, please contact me directly. My number is 0956 025 1779. Thank you.